Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sri Cendani A. Me and my team will be presentation about directly answered question. Directly answered question, it means that you should be able to find the answer to this type of question without a conclusion. The directly answered question that are commonly asked are in the first, state detail question, in the second, unstated detail question, and the third, pronoun reference question.
Skill 3. Answer stated detail questions correctly. A stated detail question asks about one piece of information in the passage rather than the passage as a whole. The answers to these questions are generally given in order in the passage, and the correct answer is often a statement of what is given in the passage. This means that the correct answer often expresses the same idea as what is written in the passage, but the words are not actually the same.
Hello, my name is Maulany Sukma A. There are 4 characteristics of the question. The first characteristic is the answer is written already in the text. The second one is asking for one information, not a conclusion from the content of the text. The third one, questions are given in sequence according to the text. And the last one, characters in the correct answer often in the form of a statement. And now, how to identify the question. The first, according to the passage, or it states in the passage, or passage indicate, or which of the following is true. And now where to find the answer. The answer to this type of the question can generally be determined by looking at the first sentence of the appointed paragraph. And now how to answer the question. The first, choose a keyword in the question. The second one, skim in the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword of idea. The third one, read the sentence that contain the keyword or idea carefully. And the last one, eliminate the definitely wrong answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choices.
I will explain skill 4. Find unstated details. This type of question really means that 3 of the answer are stated, mentioned, or true in the passage, while one answer is not. You should note that there are 2 kinds of answer this type of question. Number 1, there are 3 true answers and 1 that is not true according to the passage. Or number 2, there are 3 true answers and 1 that is not mentioned in the passage. Okay, next.
Characteristic for question. Number 1, look for answers that are no stated, no mentioned, and not true in the text. It means that there are 3 correct answer options because they are explained in the text. Next, how to identify the question. Number 1, which of the following is not stated? Number 2, which of the following is not mentioned? And number 3, which of the following is not discussed? And the last, all of the following are true except.
Where to find the answer? The answer to this question are found under the question. How to answer the question? 1. Choose a keyword in the question. 2. Scan the appropriate place in the passage for the keyword or related idea. 3. Read the sentences that contain the keyword or idea carefully. 4. Look for answers that are definitely true according patient. Eliminate those unanswered. 4. Choose the answer that is not or not discussed in the patient
section. I will explain skill 5 about find pronoun reference. Okay, what is pronoun reference? What about it? In the reading comparison section of the TOEFL test, you will sometimes be asked to determine which noun a pronoun refers to. In this type of question, it is important to understand that noun is generally used in a passage, and the pronoun that refers to it comes after. Whenever you are asked which noun a pronoun refers to, you should look before the pronoun to find the noun. So the explain is in this skill you must be asked to determine the nouns that are referred to by pronouns. So it is important to understand that noun and pronoun. Okay, and for the details of this skill, my friend will be explained that in the next slide. Thank you.
Number 1. How to identify the question. The pronoun blah 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 in line 8 refers to which of the following. Number 2. Where to find the answer. The line where the pronoun is located is generally given in the question. The noun that the pronoun refers to generally form the pronoun. Number 3. How to answer the question. Find the pronoun in the passage, or the line where the pronoun can be found is generally stated in the question. Look for noun that can before the pronoun. Read the part of the passage before the pronoun carefully. Eliminated and definitely wrong answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choice. That's all from us. Thank you for attention. There are any questions?